Welcome to Simple Lifestyle channel. Please subscribe to help me grow this channel. For many of us, darker armpits can be a little embarrassing. Skin discoloration can lead to a lack of confidence and self-esteem. Fret no more, we have the best home remedies that will help lighten those armpits. There are many potential causes for armpits becoming darker, including deodorants and antiperspirants, shaving, dead skin cell accumulation, friction. 1. Apple cider vinegar. It is rich in amino and lactic acid, which helps in killing the dead skin cells. It has properties that will unclog your pores and reduce the darkness. Just simply take a little bit of apple cider vinegar in a cotton pad, pat into your armpits and let it dry. Wash it off once dry, repeat daily for better results. 2. Aloe Vera Gel. This natural gel can soothe inflamed skin and lighten the armpits. Cut a fresh leaf from a plant and take out the gel, quickly apply the gel on your armpits and let it dry for 15 minutes. Wash it off and apply every alternate day. 3. Cucumber. This veggie has cooling properties and contains bleaching agents which will treat dark armpits. Grind the veggie and strain the juice, dip a cotton pad in the juice and apply it on your armpit. Repeat it daily. This routine will not only lighten your underarm but keep them odor-free too. 4. Sugar and olive oil. This mixture works like magic. Sugar has an exfoliating agent and olive oil will help you keep it hydrated and nourished. All you have to do is take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and olive oil. Mix them well, now apply it on your armpit, scrub it well and leave it for 10 minutes, rinse it water. 5. Potatoes. This vegetable works best for discoloration. You can choose either rub it directly by slicing it in 2 parts, or you can peel a potato and grate it well, squeeze the juice out, apply it directly on the armpits. Wash it off after 10 to 15 minutes and follow the routine daily for the best results. Potato helps in softening and smothering too. Have you tried any of these before? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe and hit notification bell for more video.